Exercise 7.1, question number 8 of triangle chapter. According to this question, the diagram is given, and it is given that in triangle ABC, this is the triangle ABC, and angle C is 90 degree. That means ACB is 90 degree, and AM is the midpoint of AB. AM is the midpoint of hypotenuse AB. So that means AM equals to BM. It is also given, and it is also given that DM equals to CM. If we join from C to M, and just we will join BD also. So DM equals to CM, it is also given, and we have to prove that triangle AMC congruent to triangle BMD. And the second part, DBC is a right angle. Third part, DBC triangle congruent to ACB, and CM equals to half AB. This much of things we have to prove. Now first we will take these two triangles and we will try to prove that they are congruent. So triangle AMC and triangle BMD. So in these two triangles we can see that one thing, that AM equals to BM, it is given. Okay, and CM equals to DM is also given. CM equals to DM, it is also given. And angle, this one, that BMD and AMC, so angle AMC equals to angle BMD, and we will take in this same sequence. Okay, so they are equal. Why, beta? They are vertically opposite angles. Okay, so side, angle, side. This side, then angle, then side. Okay, so side, angle, side, congruency we will apply here, and hence triangle AMC congruent to triangle BMD. Okay, now in the second part, that angle DBC is right angle. So this angle is 90 degree, that we have to prove. So just we have proved that these two triangles are congruent. So if these two triangles are congruent, then their corresponding parts will be also equal. Okay, so angle ACM, this angle, okay, equals to ACM, first, third, second. Here also first, third, second. So angle BDM. Okay, so here BDM, this angle. So they are equal. Okay, so from CPCT, so they are equal. So, and here we can see here that this is the transversal and these two lines are there. So if alternate interior angles are equal, and this is the transversal, so these two lines will be parallel. Okay, so therefore AC parallel to BD, since alternate interior angles are equal. So if AC equals parallel to BD, then so student, AC parallel to BD. So if these two sides are parallel, means lines are parallel, then sum of co-interior angles will be 180 degree, because co-interior angles are supplementary. So we have written angle ACB plus angle DBC equals to 180 degree, since co-interior angle sum is 180 degree. Now ACB angle value, it is already given, that is 90 degree. Okay, so from there we can find out then DBC. So DBC will be 180 minus 90 degree, and that equals to 90 degree. So angle DBC equals to 90 degree. So the second part we have proved. Now third part, that triangle DBC congruent to triangle ACB. So we will take the triangle DBC and triangle, this is ACB triangle. So in these two triangle, these two triangle, you can see that these two angle will be 90 degree. So angle DBC equals to angle ACB equals to 90 degree. So DBC equals to angle ACB equals to 90 degree. Then this BC side is common in both the triangle. So BC equals to CB. So BC equals to CB, that is common here. And since the student here we have proved that these two triangles are congruent, that is triangle AMC and triangle BMD. These two triangles are congruent. So this third side will be also equal from CPCT. So that we will mention that AC equals to BD, or BD equals to, because from this triangle we will write the part first. So BD equals to CA, first CA, since triangle that is BMD congruent to triangle AMC from 1. From first part we have taken that. This is the CPCT part. CPCT part. So BD equals to CA. So these two sides and one angle. So here you can see that side, this angle, and again side. So side, angle, side. So by side, angle, side, we can prove that triangle DBC congruent to triangle ACB. This is the third part. Now student, in fourth part we have to prove that CM equals to half of AB. So just we have proved that these two triangles are congruent. Okay. Now from CPCT we can write that CD equals to BA. Okay. So CD equals to BA from CPCT, corresponding parts of congruent triangle. Okay. Now see the diagram, CD equals to BA. We have got that. Now CD can be written as CM plus DM. Okay. So CM plus DM equals to BA or AB. Now CM and DM are equal. It is given already. CM equals to DM. So in place of DM again we can write CM. So twice CM equals to AB, and CM equals to half of AB. And here you can mention, since CM equals to DM, that is given part. Okay student. So this is the proof of fourth part also.